Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious guava milkshake at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 to 3 ripe guavas, 1 cup of cold milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a handful of ice cubes. Make sure your guavas are nice and soft, as this indicates they are perfectly ripe and will give your milkshake the best flavor. This easy method will have you enjoying a refreshing treat in no time. Now that you have your ingredients ready, let's prepare the guavas. Start by washing them thoroughly under cool, running water to remove any dirt. Next, carefully cut each guava into small, manageable pieces. While some people enjoy the seeds, for a super smooth milkshake, you might want to scoop out and discard the harder seeds. This step ensures a delightful, creamy texture in your final drink. With your guavas prepared, it's time to blend. Carefully add the cut guava pieces, 1 cup of cold milk, and 2 tablespoons of sugar into your blender. Secure the lid and blend on high speed until the mixture is completely smooth and no large guava chunks remain. Then, add your handful of ice cubes and blend again until the milkshake is thick, frosty, and perfectly chilled. This creates that wonderful, creamy consistency. Your delicious homemade guava milkshake is now ready. Carefully pour the frosty, creamy mixture into your favorite serving glasses. For an extra touch, you can garnish each glass with a thin slice of fresh guava or a vibrant mint sprig. Remember, this milkshake is best enjoyed immediately while it's still cold and thick. Sip, relax, and savor the tropical flavors of your easy-to-make treat. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.